Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Quad Cab pickup that's factory certified. On the exterior of this Ram, we have fully automatic headlights, power and heated door mirrors, and a bed liner. Inside we have easy to clean cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, remote keyless entry, auto dimming rearview mirror, and integrated voice command with Bluetooth. This 2019 Ram 1500 has less than 20,000 miles, factory certified, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.